So guys, tonight's video is all about shipping and packing, shipping to Jamaica. So I'll be showing you some videos as to how I go about the packing and the boxes that I use and the cost to ship them off to Jamaica, and which is the easier way to ship them or which is the more affordable way where you get more for your money to ship them. Yay, final packing day today guys. So today I'll be packing and I'll be taking you guys along with me, so you will see some of the stuff that I'm packing. So now guys, tell me, where am I going to fit all of these things? I have so many things here to pack. Only 2 boxes, maybe the 2 boxes won't be able to hold everything, but you will see guys. Stick with me. So I'm gonna open this and so you guys can see. Ooh. So this is, what is this? Oh, okay. This is another Mohan mixer. Right, so for shipping, it's very tedious in terms of the packing, especially if you're doing it alone to pack the boxes. If you're packing like a food barrel, it will take a day or so. But when it's boxes, you have to pack, you have to unpack, you have to repack. And the things that I pack in my boxes, they're basically furnitures like accent chairs, tables, you know, like those mini tables. I do what is called door locks. I do pulls, you know, like the jaw pulls and the knobs, and I did lighting fixtures. I did even kitchen sink. At one point I sent down like about 4 kitchen sinks. I did the hood range, you know, the thing you put over the stove to take out the grease from the kitchen. I did that also. I put that in the box, and the reason why I use the box is that it is more, to me, it is more affordable than just sending them like that, because they came in boxes, but to ship them like that, okay guys, walk with me. This is a lot. I know I'm not going to get through all of these boxes just in one day, but I just want you guys to see. It is a soap dispenser for the kitchen. Oh, I don't know, they put in so much packages. Okay, this is cute. These are some 12 inches pulls, jaw pull for the cupboard, kitchen cabinet. These are some colognes for my son. A lot of stuff and some more cologne. Like I said guys, check the price. There is certain items that you may purchase that when you check the shipping costs and the price that you pay for the item to ship it to Jamaica, everything combined, every cost combined, it is way more expensive than the item actually value, because I have made that mistake as to ship it was a couch, like a 3-seater couch, and the couch cost me $400 and something, and to ship it to Jamaica it was $750. So guys, you have to check the shipping cost and the item to see if it is worth shipping to Jamaica. So that couch definitely did not worth shipping to Jamaica. What I should have done is buy it in Jamaica. The thing that what happened to me, I had already bought the coat, so I said okay, even though it's almost twice the price that I paid for the item. Okay. And there is this, it's a Moyen mixer. So this mixer I think is for the laundry room. Very nice mixer. Comes with a pull down, come with the hot and cold. Very nice. Okay, so this is my box. I finished packing this one. This is the box I have. Finished pack this one. It holds 2 youth sink in it. It holds the garbage bin thing, and I still have this box to pack. I have that garbage container to pack, and I have all of these over here to pack. All of those. So I'm gonna have to order one of that same box to pack them. So I have quite a few things still leave to go into boxes. Bin 24 by 48. It is $400 to ship it. So make sure whatever you're putting in that box, it works out in terms of the value. If you're putting in food stuff in it and certain type of item that is of no value, then you will end up paying more for shipping than the actual cost for the item that is in the box. So guys, I'm packing all of these to ship to Jamaica. So these are some Bath and Body. That's the Bath and Body. Families and friends for giving. And these are all the packages I'm gonna be shipping to Jamaica. This is garbage bin. It's just under the counter. It's the one that you slide in. Oopsie. This is the one that you slide in and out, so you could see how it stayed there. And this is the box that I'm gonna be packing this in. This is also some bar stool, like a part of a bar stool. This big box right here is a kitchen sink, and I'm gonna be fitting all of those into, don't mind my shoes guys, I'm packing up. I'm gonna just pray that it holds. And these are also some more sinks. So I have 2 sets of kitchen sink. That is some O's, that is some, these are some light fixture. Well, I'm not getting paid to promote guys, so I always just show you guys what I got from my personal use. So this is what it looked like. And this is the brand. So I got these on Amazon. I'll be linking the prices below. Shipping box. So I'll be taking these out of the box anyway. This is a table that I purchased on Amazon. Top of the table, and it's a white top. As you can see, I'm stuffing pillows, I'm stuffing blankets, so these help to protect whatever glass stuff you have in here, whatever fragile stuff. So when you stuff these in between. So guys, thanks for watching and thanks for continue to support this channel, guys. Thank you so much. So we are now at the end of this video. If you like this video, guys, please share up the video, like up the video, comment on the video, so I will be bringing more contents to you guys. And like I said, my playlist is there. Check out my playlist. I have several videos up on my playlist.